Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to draw and color Santa Claus and his reindeer sleigh full of gifts. And while we draw, I'll tell you a touching Christmas story that I've collected. The last ride in the snowy night. On that Christmas Eve, the small town at the foot of the snowy mountains glowed with warm lights. Everyone was busy preparing for the celebration. But amid all the excitement, Eli, a young boy living with his mother in an old wooden house, quietly withdrew into himself. Christmas had never truly been complete for him. After a recent snowstorm, the roof of their house was badly damaged, and they didn't have enough money to repair it. Because of that, Eli's dream of a real Christmas felt farther away than ever. Every night, he sat by the window, wondering whether Christmas magic was real. That snowy night, despite the freezing wind, Eli climbed the small hill behind his house to look at the glowing town. When he reached the top, he heard a sound, jingle, jingle, coming from the sky. He looked up and froze in amazement. A bright red sleigh was descending from the sky, pulled by a rainbow-dotted reindeer with a glowing red nose. On the sleigh sat an old man in red. His kind face felt warm and familiar, yet different from the Santa in stories. He stopped in front of Eli and smiled. "What are you doing out here in the cold, child?" Eli muttered that he probably wouldn't get any Christmas gifts this year. The old man chuckled, pointed to the cheerful reindeer rubbing its nose against Eli's hand, and introduced himself. "I am Nikolai, the messenger of Christmas wishes. I don't bring gifts from a list. I bring what children truly need." He invited Eli to join him on the last ride of the night. Before Eli could think, the reindeer Dusty lowered itself for him to climb on. The sleigh shot into the sky, and the town below shrank into a snowy painting. But to Eli's surprise, the sleigh didn't stop at chimneys or rooftops. Instead, Nikolai brought him to a hospital where a little girl lay in her sickbed. A shelter for the homeless. A family who had just lost their home to a fire. At each place, Nikolai gave no wrapped gifts. He simply placed a hand on each person's shoulder, leaving warmth, hope, and renewed faith. Confused, Eli asked, "Why don't you give them gifts like in the stories?" Nikolai replied, "Because some gifts need no wrapping. Hope, love, and belief can change a person more than any material present." Hearing that, Eli suddenly thought of his mother. He nervously asked if a wish could help her. Nikolai gently shook his head. "I can't fix your roof, but I can give you the most important thing needed to create your own miracle: courage." He placed a hand on Eli's shoulder, and warmth spread through the boy's body. When the journey ended, Nikolai brought Eli back to the hill. Before leaving, he gave him a small wooden box. "Open it only when you truly need it." The sleigh soared into the night sky, leaving Eli standing in the falling snow, feeling strangely stronger. He ran home excitedly. His mother was waiting at the door, worried. When Eli handed her the box, she opened it and found a shiny silver bell with the message, Christmas is made whole not by the gift in your hand, but by the gift in your heart. She understood at once. The bell symbolized hope. That night, the two of them sat by the fireplace, planning how to fix their roof together, no matter how hard it would be. For the first time in years, Eli felt the true spirit of Christmas in his own home. A few days later, word about their damaged house spread through the town. Without being asked, the townspeople came with wood, nails, warm clothes, and food. Some repaired the roof, others patched the walls, and some simply came to check on the family. Eli watched their kindness with teary eyes. He didn't need magic or grand gifts. It was the people around him who made that Christmas unforgettable. He gently shook the silver bell. Its clear sound echoed through the cold air, as if sending gratitude into the sky. I understand now, Nikolai. The real gift is hope and kindness. And somewhere behind the falling snow, perhaps a red sleigh and the reindeer Dusty were smiling as they listened to the bells chime. And that's it! We've finished our cute drawing of Santa Claus and his gift-filled sleigh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. See you again in the next videos with more warm and magical Christmas drawings.